हेलो वेलकम माय यूट्यूब फैमिली। मैं हूं डॉक्टर प्रतीक। बेस्ट इंग्लिश क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। मैं एक सवाल पूछूंगा आज एक आइलेट्स एस्पिरेंट भव्या से और देखते हैं वो कैसा जवाब देती हैं। आपके लिए सवाल है, डिस्क्राइब अ टाइम व्हेन यू हैड टू लैंड समथिंग टू अ पर्सन यू नो। ओके, so you are supposed to tell what you lent, when it happened, and why he or she asked you, and how you feel about it, and would you let that person borrow it again in future? You would give or not? Okay, start.
Okay, so usually I like to lend my things to others who are in need, because my parents have told me this. Like, they have told me always to share your things, and all they used to say that sharing is caring. You should share your things, but I don't like to share my clothes, like for hygiene issues. Like, I don't like. But there was a time when I had to give my gown, my most favorite gown, to my one of my friends. Actually, I bought that gown a year ago on my brother's marriage. It was so expensive, like almost 10 to 12,000. It was very expensive. So I never thought of giving it to a person whom I rarely know. But I had to give it to a person, like about 5 to 6 months ago. One of my friend, actually she was my mutual friend, so she told me about the gown, and she asked me, also insisted me for that gown, or then I had to give her because she is in the need of gown. It was her brother's marriage and she had not enough money to have that gown, so I gave it to her, and also I regret it.
Okay, so you won't give it again?
No, I don't.
Okay, thank you.